Hey y'all, today's video is part of the God Bless the USA Open Challenge, and I'll be creating some really easy, simple, and quick patriotic decor. I want to give a huge thank you to Hippo for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump right into the DIYs. For the first DIY, you'll need one of the wall shelves from Dollar Tree, some rub-on transfers, one of these metal red trucks, some star cutouts. I did not use the letters. I'm going to paint each one of the stars in red, white, and blue using lacquer, plaster, and pool. I filled in two of the holes using some spackle, waited for it to dry, and then just sanded off the excess. I'm going to give one rustic coat to my board using the plaster chalk paint. If you're new here, my name is Robin. I hope you enjoy what you see. And if you do, please hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know where you're from. But sit back, enjoy the rest of the video, and get ready to create some patriotic decor. Once my stars were dry, I started to cut apart which of the rub-on transfers that I wanted to use. I ended up using a couple of the rockets, and I think I ended up using the stars and stripes. The stars and stripes. Even though they are foil, they apply the very same way. You just peel it off the backing, apply it down to your surface, and use a credit card, a craft stick, and just rub the top until it's transferred to your surface. I'm guessing these are the only patriotic transfers that Dollar Tree has. If anybody's seen anything different, drop a comment down below and let me know what you found, because I'm definitely in the market for some different rub-on transfers. I want to thank Hippo for sponsoring today's video. They recently reached out to me and wanted me to try out their brand new mini cordless hot glue gun. This glue gun is USB rechargeable. It's very lightweight. It comes with a magnetic base, which I love. Very lightweight, fits great in the hand, which, if you spent long hours at the craft table, you know what I'm talking about. Very important. After your initial charge, all you do is press in and hold the on off button for 3 seconds. The red indicator light will come on and it will turn green when it is good to go. The best part about this glue gun is there is no grips. So Hippo was generous enough to provide you guys with a discount code so you can get one of your very own. You have seen it on the screen, but if in case you missed it, I have included it in the description box below. So I'm continuing just to put my little sign together, gluing down my little truck and my stars. My thinking on the stars is like this old truck is like backfiring and it's coming out stars. I don't know. I thought it was a cute idea. Once everything was glued down, all that was left to do was to put on a hanger. I used a piece of jute, tied a couple of knots in the front, and that is it. Today is the God Bless the USA Open Challenge, hosted by Six Kids and a Glue Gun, co-hosted by Crafty Hints and Rustic and Lace DIY. All their channel links, as well as the playlist, will be in the description box below. Y'all go check it out when you finish watching this video. For this next quick and easy DIY, you'll need three Dollar Tree houses, some paint of your choice, and I will be decorating them with some chalk couture transfers. Once I removed all the paper from the front of the houses using water and paper towels, I'm giving them one coat of the Dixie Belle Mineral Chalk Paint in the colors Rustic Red, Drop Cloth, and Antebellum Blue. I love using Dixie Belle paint because it dries so fast, and one coat will take care of most any project. Next, I'm going to be cutting apart all these individual transfers from Chalk Couture and just picking the ones I want for each house. The link to my chalk website is always listed in the description box below. So if you're interested, be sure go check it out. So once I had fuzzed my transfer, I applied it to my house and I'm just using the bright white chalk paste for my design. I use the same process for all three houses. I fuzzed each transfer really well, applied it to my surface, and then gently applied my chalk paste. If you have ever considered joining Chalk Couture as a designer, such as myself, June is the month for you. Right now, this month, you can join, get your kit, become a designer for only $59. Guys, that is a steal. At that price, the company does not expect these kits to last long, so it's only while quantities last. Contact me through my email link listed in the description box, and I'll be glad to give you all the information. To help fill in the void at the top of each house, I'm using three wooden stars and staining them with my antique wax. And then I will just hot glue one star at the top of each. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I love decorating for July 4th. I've already started probably about 2 weeks ago. Um, I like to keep patriotic decor up year round. Me and my husband both, we love this Americana theme and we love to show our patriotism. So, is that something you guys do? Do you have a little bit of, patriotic decor in your house or around your house year round? Let me know in the comments. As a final finishing touch, I just wrapped some jute cord around each house and secured it with hot glue. And there you go. Another easy peasy patriotic decor DIY. I promise you guys, this wreath will be the easiest wreath you make today. All you're going to need is a pre-made bow from the Dollar Tree, some of those stars that they have on the jute, some burlap ribbon of your choice, and I'm using a 12-inch wreath frame. And all you're going to do is wrap your ribbon, I'm using burlap ribbon, around the wreath until it's covered, overlapping it slightly. I then attach the bow to the top, and now I'm just figuring out the placement of my stars and attaching them using some hot glue. And that's it. Easy peasy patriotic DIY decor. If you enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed making it, be sure to give this video a big old fat thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know where you're from. Let me know what your summer plans are. Is anybody going on vacation? Spots, either the Smoky Mountains or St. Augustine, Florida. That's my choice. I've always wanted to go there. So let me know down below. What are your plans for the summer? What you got going on? And again, a huge thank you to Hippo for sponsoring today's video. Guys, don't forget to grab that discount code. Go to the link down below. Get yourself one of those cordless mini glue guns. I love mine. I know you're going to love it too. So until next time, y'all go get your craft on. Bye.